Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this today's video, I am going to show you Dubai Islamic Bank not working. If your app is not working properly, don't worry. In this video, I will show you simple and easy steps to fix the problem. Just follow each step carefully. First step is check your internet connection first. Make sure your internet is working. Turn your Wi-Fi off, then on again. Or you can also do switch to the mobile data and try opening any website to text internet. Internet is not working well. The app will not work properly. So the second step is restart your phone. Sometimes a small restart can fix many problems. This helps remove small bugs and glitches. And the another step is update the app. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Open Play Store or App Store. Go to the search bar and search for the app and tap on update option if it is available. Sometimes old version may not work properly. And the rest step is clear app cache. Then go to your phone setting and go to the apps or app management. Then go to the app or app list and search for the looking app and tap on the storage and cache and click clear cache. This removes temporary file causing problems. The last step is install your app, restart your phone and install the app again from Play Store or App Store. By doing all of it, this gives a fresh start to the app. If none of these helps, then you can contact to the customer service of the app by going on help center and they may help you to solve the issue coming on the app. So that's it. These are the best way to fix app problems. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for the more helpful tutorials. Thank you.